3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. We'll solve this step by step and then verify our answer. To find the inverse function, we'll follow these steps. First, replace f of x with y. Then solve for x in terms of y. And finally replace y with x in our final expression. Now, let's multiply both sides by 2x minus 3 to clear the denominator. This gives us y times 2x minus 3 equals 3x plus 4. Next, let's distribute y on the left side. We get 2x, y minus 3, y equals 3x plus 4. Now let's move all terms with x to one side and all other terms to the other side. 2x, y minus 3x equals 3y plus 4. Factor out x from the left side. X times 2, y minus 3 equals 3y plus 4. Now we can solve for x by dividing both sides by 2y minus 3. X equals 3y plus 4 over 2y minus 3. Finally, we replace y with x to get our inverse function. F inverse of x equals 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3. Now, let's verify our answer by checking if f of f inverse of x equals x. Let's substitute f inverse of x into our original function f. This gives us a complex fraction that we need to simplify. After simplifying the numerator and denominator, we get x, which verifies that we found the correct inverse function. Therefore, we have successfully found and verified the inverse function. The inverse of f of x equals 3x plus 4 over 2x minus 3 is f inverse of x equals 3x plus 4 over 2